kept secrets travel.
Back to a slightly bit more seriousness of the episode is when you're packing for your trip to Indonesia. Is what do you pack? What would you pack if you're popping over to Indonesia on a trip?
So for Indonesia, I know it's a lot more laid back than it would be for dressing up to, say, London, for example.
Yeah.
Plus, it's a lot warmer. So for me personally, it'd be a lot of sun cream, definitely some Imodium. If you're doing more specific tricks, hiking, it'll be specific hiking gear, like hiking poles and maybe hiking shoes and things like that. But in general, I'd say it's much more laid back, casual wear, beach wear, swimwear.
Or if you're going over for a specific excursion or a specific sport, you might have packed your surfboard, you might have bought your wetsuit, probably won't need a wetsuit.
Snorkel.
You might have bought. I've taken my snorkel to Indonesia. I've taken my dive watch because I've been doing diving. But when I was learning my PADI, and I did my main PADI certification in the UK, but then I did my advanced diving in Indonesia. That's when I then I got a dive watch.
Where in Indonesia? Which island did you go from? If you can remember. There are only about 18,000 islands.
I can't remember.